Yeah, so you can see some damage to the chain. Of course. Okay, right there. You see that right there? Yeah, stuff like that. Just a little bit of that. That one just, yeah, it's, that edge should be straight across, but this one has a little divot, looks like. That one's got a small chip in it. Sorry about the camera work. Yeah, that one's got a small chip in it. That one, where's my finger? That one's got chips in it. I just hit it real quickly, but it was enough to do some damage to the teeth. So yeah, see how that, it doesn't look straight and sharp. It should be straight across. All right, that's my little sharpening jig right over there. I'm gonna put it on and get to sharpening.